Hey friends, it's time for your weekly time tip, and this week we're going to talk about organizing, the classic principles of organizing anything, because everybody enters the new year wishing they could get better organized in some room, some space, some drawer, even your online files. We crave order. And what I want to remind you as you think about your organizing projects this year is to remember that organizing is different than decluttering. Decluttering is about identifying what is obsolete in your space and getting rid of it. But that actually doesn't create a system. Organizing is about identifying what is important to you and arranging it in a logical way that gives you access to what you use and love so that you can live the life you choose. And how do we organize? I know you guys have been following me for a long time, but it's always worth going back to basics when it comes to organizing, which is to organize everything on the model of a kindergarten classroom. Remember that? How is a kindergarten classroom organized? It's organized into activity zones, right? And each thing has only one place it can go. It's divided into activity zones. It's easy to focus on one thing at a time in kindergarten because everything you need to do that activity is stored right there at its point of use. And it's almost as much fun to put things away as it is to play with them because everything belongs in a very cool, perfectly sized, well-labeled container that not only takes the thinking out of where to put things, but it's joyful to put things in their home. And then it's set up for its next use. So whatever area of your home or office that you feel you want to organize, create a more efficient system for, start today. Start before you start throwing anything out. Define your activity zones, and then you can start to arrange things into activity zones with everything you need at your fingertips. Go back to the basics, pick just one space, tackle that first, and that'll give you the energy and motivation to tackle the next.